Hello YouTube, so I had this question, well, kind of dumb, because I just installed Avast Premiere and it came with Avast Cleanup, and I was curious if that makes a difference when you're like turning on your computer, basically. So here's the fragmentation data. I just run it like an hour ago, so it's not that big of a deal. So it's current, so I'm gonna defragment that. So it's so the main limiting factor is the hard drive inside of this PC. Okay, so it's gonna analyze, and I'm just gonna come back in a moment. Okay, so we need a baseline. So basically, I'm gonna shut the computer down. I'm gonna get a baseline test of how fast it's gonna be turning off, like turning on. Okay, so I tried doing a time lapse, but the thing didn't work. So here's it's 34 seconds and 34 seconds. So that's pretty good. It's not SSD speeds or anything, but I'm curious if we can do that. So let me just type in my password. Okay, so the thing booted up, so we can go and try the Avast cleanup thing. Okay, by note, I'm not plugged into the wall and I'm on battery. I'm gonna set this. I am on currently 84. Okay, so oops, what's this? We're gonna run maintenance. I don't know what that will do, and it's currently scanning and stuff. As you can see, there is already a bit of stuff. I'm not sure if this is gonna help, because I don't know if system junk slows down the computer or not. I think it does, but this is a scientific test, so 34 seconds. Remember that's the baseline time. Baseline. Oh yeah, and if you're asking what watch is this is the Pebble Time. It's a bit scratched, but it's a good watch. So sadly, this ain't the Kickstarter backup, but it's 30 meters water resistant, so that's pretty good. Yeah, it's Friday. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video until this is done. Okay, as you can see, this is done, and I'm not gonna be cleaning browser history because I don't want to do that, Okay, system junk, yes, select that. Okay, now fix and clean. What's this gonna do? Oh, continue. Everything's closed because and we're gonna wait. I'm gonna pause the video. It's nearly done. As you can see, it's done. 6 gigs cleaned. Most of it is system junk. I never ran this clean, and there's also speed up, so I'm gonna do that. Oh wait, this is we only wanted the file cleanup. We didn't want to test that thing. So let's get on to the test. As you could see, that took 32 seconds, which is, well, I guess better. But I don't have an SSD, so I don't know if that affects performance, but, well, it obviously does. But hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys later.